Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Newmen keyboard. First, locate the small USB receiver that came with your keyboard. This is typically found in the packaging or a compartment on the keyboard itself. Next, simply plug this receiver into any available USB port on your desktop or laptop computer. Make sure your keyboard has fresh batteries or is fully charged to ensure a smooth connection. This process usually takes just a few seconds to complete. Once the USB receiver is securely plugged in, it's time to power on your Newmen keyboard. Locate the power switch, usually on the top edge or underside, and slide it to the on position. For most Newmen wireless keyboards, the connection to the USB receiver is automatic. You should see an indicator light, often blue or green, illuminate steadily on the keyboard, confirming a successful pairing. This seamless connection ensures you can start typing almost instantly. If your keyboard doesn't connect immediately, don't worry, troubleshooting is straightforward. First, double-check that the USB receiver is firmly inserted into the computer's port. Sometimes, simply trying a different USB port can resolve the issue. Also, ensure your keyboard has fresh, fully charged batteries, as low power is a common culprit. If your keyboard has a dedicated pairing button, press it to reinitiate the connection process with the receiver. These steps usually fix most connection problems. To ensure the best performance from your Newmen keyboard, consider a few tips. Maintain a clear line of sight between the keyboard and its USB receiver, ideally within 20 feet for optimal signal strength. Large metal objects or other wireless devices can sometimes interfere with the signal, so try to minimize these obstructions. Finally, remember to turn off your keyboard when it's not in use for extended periods. This simple habit will significantly extend your battery life, providing many hours of uninterrupted use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.